Hello everyone, today we're gonna decorate this beautiful tree. I didn't decorate for Christmas this year. I'm gonna go out of town for almost more than half of the month, so it was not worth it for me to purchase a tree. But you know what? I love trees, so I wanted to decorate one, so we're going to do it together. I got two. One is really tiny, the other one's a little bit bigger. But I have something in mind and you'll see what I mean in a little bit. This is kind of like the process right now. I'm looking at all my small items that I can turn into ornaments or even the ones that I already purchased that are small. And I think these are pretty, yeah, this is a pretty good size. So I have this one also that are very tiny. That might be too little, we'll see. So let's get to work here because it was too bare, so I combined to make it a little bit fuller. So it's already full. I started putting a little bit of the ornaments. I might take them out. And the idea for me to use this is because I want to put these lights. Look how cute these lights are. They're very rustic, and that's what inspired me to decorate my tree different this year. Well, it's a small tree, but it has little stars and bells, and they're resembling being rusted and beautiful. So yes, so the idea is for me to do this, make it higher and also hide the lights. So you see, that's the plan. So for now I'm not going to put it on this vase. I'm just going to do the lights. I always do the lights first. So let's do the lights. They're so cute. I have two of these. I don't know if I need them though. I think with one would be enough. We'll see. So I'm going to start rolling them here. I'll roll it out so I can secure it. And then this is easier. It's not like a big tree. I can turn it around. So pretty. Start going down. So I don't want to put both. I don't want to put two. I'm just gonna do one. But you can always put more. It's all up to you. Let's see. Yeah. So this is gonna be too bare. And I can fit two, so let me just go get it because I don't have it in this room. So and that's it. Thank you for watching. Until tomorrow. Goodbye.